Hello guys, welcome back to NF Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to fix Lenovo laptop fan keeps running after shutdown. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly fix your Lenovo laptop whenever it keeps running, whenever you shut it down? So the first thing that we need to do here is we need to understand how usually laptops turn off. Now, if your laptop is pretty old, usually when you turn off your laptop, the fan may keep on running. So in this case, there's a whole process of your laptop turning off, especially for older OS here. So typically speaking, you may hear your fan keep running for about 10 seconds after you shut it down, although the screen is already turned off. So this is a way for them to cool down the internal components here. Sometimes just rapidly removing the cooling from your laptop can actually cause some issues. So that's why sometimes the fan keeps on running. So typically speaking, it will turn off itself, so you don't have to worry about it. But just in case it keeps on running whenever you turn it off, regardless on how long it is, well, there are a few things that you may need to do. So first things first is you want to turn off or turn back your laptop on. But usually you won't be able to turn it off once it's actually stuck in there. So I would suggest you to press and hold the power button that you see on your Lenovo laptop. Usually it's going to be at the very center top of your keyboard. So it looks like or something similar to this. So what you need to do is you want to press and hold this power button for about 10 seconds, and this will actually turn off or hard turn off your laptop here, which typically could go and just turn on your laptop again. Now, in your laptop, what you need to do is want to make sure that your OS or your Windows is up to date. So you want to go to search at the bottom left, just type in Windows Update, and from here access Windows Update settings, and from here just click on check for updates. Just wait for it to check some updates, but if there are any updates, make sure to install that, and once updates are installed, go ahead and restart your PC and see if that actually helps. Now, another thing that you may actually do here is you may want to access the official page for Lenovo. So you just need to type in Lenovo laptop software, and you want to look for the option here that says Lenovo common preloaded software. Go ahead and click on it. Now, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and click on the tech product here, and this will actually allow you to detect your current product and also the software that came with it. Now, if there are any updates on the software you currently have, you may want to update that. But to be speaking, you just need to update any software related to your laptop and you should be good. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.